Hello, and welcome back to our next Costblok tutorial. Today we'll be covering the Feasibility Report, which is an essential tool for evaluating the financial viability of a project. Costblok allows you to generate multiple types of feasibility reports. For this tutorial, we'll focus on the rental scheme report and go through its sections step by step. Following the cover page and table of contents, we have the Notes section, which can include Costblok's preset content, or custom headings and descriptions added by the user. This section serves as a key reference for documenting assumptions, exclusions, clarifications, and any project-specific details that impact the feasibility study. The executive summary provides a summary of key project metrics, which consists of the following: area breakdown, which includes the gross construction area, gross floor area, gross lettable area, and floor efficiency ratio. Finance structure summary, indicating the proportion of equity versus financing, including the loan-to-value ratio. The development program with timeline assumptions for pre-tender, tender, and construction stages. The capital outlay breakdown of the major cost components. And finally, the investment returns section, which includes key financial performance metrics like yield, return on cash, IRR, and NPV. The total capital outlay section details the full cost required to complete the project and ensures all capital expenditures are accounted for in the feasibility study. On the next page, we have the building data section, which provides a breakdown of construction costs. The financing strategy section outlines how the project will be funded, detailing the split between equity and financing. It includes a breakdown of each, including the cost of capital. The income on rental section evaluates the project's earning potential by detailing the gross lettable area, expected rental rates, and projected net rental income, accounting for operating expenses and vacancies. The projected cash flow section outlines the project's expected income and expenses over time after the development period. It includes the annual net income, bond repayments, and any surplus or shortfall, helping assess the financial sustainability and break-even timeline, and also highlighting the key cost metrics. The sensitivity analysis tests the project's financial viability under different scenarios by adjusting the rental rates and the capital expenditure. This helps assess potential risks and investment performance under varying conditions. And that wraps up our feasibility report tutorial. We've covered each section of the report, showing how Costblok structures financial data to give a clear project overview. By understanding these sections, you can assess a project's viability, identify risks, and make informed investment decisions. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next tutorial.